gbogbo àwọn ìjà tó ń lọ lọ́tún lósì.
All the strife happening left and right.
Lórí àwọn ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá.
Over the kings in Yoruba land.
Èmi lolórí.
I'm the leader.
Èmi lolórí.
I am the number one.
Ẹ má mà sùn gbàgbé.
Please don't sleep and forget yourself.
Ẹ ń jà.
You are fighting.
Wọ́n dẹ̀ ń fọgbọ́n gba ilẹ̀ yín díẹ̀ díẹ̀.
And they are infiltrating your land and they are taking over your land.
Ẹ ń jà.
You are fighting.
Àwọn wọ̀nyí sì ń wọnú ìlú yín láti máa ṣe yín ní ṣùtá.
And the enemies are encroaching on you. They are creeping up on you and you are not even aware yet.
Ẹ má mà sùn lọ.
Don't sleep, O you king.
Ẹ rántí àwọn ọba méjì kan tí wọ́n pa ní Ondo State.
Remember 2 kings that were murdered in Ondo State.
Nítorí pé wọn ò dira ní o.
And it was because they were not armed. They were not prepared.
Àwa ò tẹ̀lé àgbà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá o.
And we don't follow age in Yoruba land.
Ohun tá kọ́kọ́ ń tẹ̀lé ni pé ká gba ilẹ̀ wa.
The first thing we follow is to take over our land.
Kó bọ́ sí wa lọ́wọ́.
We should have our land. We should be in control.
Ká ṣe wá mọ̀ níbo là ń lọ.
Then before we know our direction.
Ẹ jẹ́ sọ fún yín.
Let me tell us something.
Ẹni tó bá dira.
Anybody that arms
Tó
themselves.
múra láti gba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá yìí.
And they are prepared to take over Yoruba land.
Ò bá jẹ́ ọba abúlé kan.
If it is a king from any village.
Tó dira.
That have
Tó
prepared
sì gba
themselves.
ilẹ̀ bàbá wa fún wa.
And we are able to take our land for
Tí ò
ourselves.
jẹ́ káwọn wọ̀nyí kó wa lẹ́rú.
And they will not allow those people to take us as
Ó ní
slaves.
máa tẹ̀lé o.
That is who I would follow.
Nítorí pé ẹ̀yin ọba wọ̀nyí.
Because you kings,
Ẹ mọ àyè yín.
you know your respective positions.
A ti wà láyé yìí ó ti tó 60 years.
And we have been in this world for over 60
A
years.
ti ń gbọ́
We've been hearing
Ọ̀ọ̀ni òrìṣà.
Oni
A
Orisha.
dẹ̀ ti ń gbọ́
And we've been listening.
ikú bàbá yèyé igbákejì òrìṣà.
Iku Baba Yeye, the second in command.
Kò lajà lọ.
So that is the
Ẹ̀yin
explanation.
méjèèjì lẹ
The
kàwé.
2 of you are even learned. You are
Ọlọ́lá
traveled.
ni ọlọ́rọ̀ ni.
You are wealthy men and influential.
Ìjà kọ́ là ń jà sí o.
We don't fight. Now this is not the time to
Bí
fight.
ilẹ̀ wa ṣe máa bọ́ sí wa lọ́wọ́.
We should find ways to take over our land.
Ǹbá má sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o.
I wouldn't have said this
Tókè mi ò ń ṣe wòlíì tó kàn ń sọ̀rọ̀ ṣá.
because I'm not a prophet that just talks.
Ṣùgbọ́n tókè mo ti rí.
But because I have seen it,
Kó tó di ọ̀rọ̀ Ọ̀ọ̀ni àti Aláàfin bẹ̀rẹ̀.
before the feud between Alaafin and Oni started,
Mo rí màálù pupa.
I saw a red cow
Mo rí orí ràkúnmí.
and I saw the head of a camel
Mo rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èso dẹ̀bínò.
and I saw debino fruit.
Wọ́n wá gbé orí ràkúnmí yẹn sínú màálù pupa.
They put the head of the camel on
Wọ́n wá kó
on the cow
dẹ̀bínò èso tó máa ń jẹ wọ́n kó sínú ẹ̀.
and they put that debino inside.
Wọ́n wá la inú àgùntàn.
Then they cut open a sheep
Wọ́n wá gbé sínú màálù yẹn.
and put it in the cow.
Wọ́n wá rán pa.
Then they sold it.
Wọ́n wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń gbé wúlẹ̀ káàkiri.
They now started burying it everywhere.
Tí ò bá ṣe ìjà Aláàfin àti Ọ̀ọ̀ni mi ní sọ.
If it is not for the vendetta between Alaafin and the Oni,
Ẹ̀yin
I would have
Kristẹni.
said, Christians,
Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ àdúrà.
start praying.
Ẹ̀yin Muslim.
You Muslims,
Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀
in
àdúrà.
Yoruba land, start praying.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn kọ́
This
lélẹ́yìí
is
o.
not about religion.
Ọ̀rọ̀ wípé kọ́ máa dé lójijì.
It is for them not to creep over us suddenly.
Ìwọ sọ pé pásítọ̀ ni
You
ẹ.
are saying you're a
O lè
pastor.
jagun.
You cannot fight.
Tógun bá wá ká ẹ mọ́lẹ̀ wàá mọ̀ pé wàá
What if war
jagun.
comes? Won't you fight?
Lọ sí Kaduna.
Go to Kaduna.
Lọ wo bọ́n ṣe ṣe wọ́n léṣe.
Look at how they are hurting Christians.
Ìjẹ́ o rántí ogun Ọ̀wọ̀.
Do you remember the war that
Wọ́n
happened
ṣe
in
wọ church tó
all?
ń pa àwọn
The
ènìyàn.
way they entered the church and killed
Kì í
people.
ṣe
It
Christian nìkan náà ń pa
is
o.
not only Christians they are
Gbogbo
killing.
èèyàn náà ń pa.
They can kill anyone.
Ilẹ̀ náà fẹ́ gbà
They
o.
just want to take over our
So
land.
ẹ̀yin ọba Yorùbá.
So all the kings in Yoruba land,
Ẹ má jà o.
please don't fight yourself.
Ẹ má jẹ́ kí omi ti ẹ̀yìn wọ ìgbín lẹ́nu.
Don't let things happen in a bad way that you might not even
Mo
be
wá
able to handle
gbàdúrà.
it. So I pray.
Ìlú yìí ò ní bàjẹ́ o.
Àmín.
Ilẹ̀
Jehovah.
Yorùbá ayé ò ní gbà lọ́wọ́
Yoruba
wa o.
land will not be taken from us.
Ayé ò ní gbà lọ́wọ́ wa
It
o.
will not be taken from
So
us.
èdì náà ń ṣe láàrin wa o. Wọ́n fẹ́ kí ìjà wà.
They want us to fight within
Wọ́n
ourselves
bá lè ráyè
so
wọlé.
that they can infiltrate us.
Ẹ̀fún àti èdè ò ní mú ẹnikẹ́ni lórúkọ Jésù.
Àmín Jehovah.
Yóò dára fún
It
yín
shall
o.
be well with everyone.
Jésù Olúwa wa.
Ah.